Welcome to Hope's Homemade Kitchen. Tonight we're making honey garlic shrimp bowls. These are so delicious and so easy to make. You can have them on the table in minutes for a weeknight dinner. This is also a very versatile recipe that you can make as spicy as you like, but this honey garlic combination is absolutely delicious, and I'm going to walk you step by step through how to make it. So let's get started and I'll show you the ingredients. So you'll need to prepare your rice, quinoa, or noodles according to the package directions and have that ready to go. I've also thawed, peeled, and deveined 1 pound of shrimp. I'm using the 31 to 40 count per pound shrimp. I've sliced 2 green onions. And I'm going to throw in some vegetables into this mix. So I just did a few carrots. You can use whatever vegetables you like. I also have 1 teaspoon of minced ginger and 5 garlic cloves. And they're pretty large garlic cloves too, because we are doing a honey garlic sauce. So now that all of our ingredients are prepped, I'm going to go ahead and mix my sauce together. So you just need a small bowl. Go ahead and add in those minced garlic cloves and your minced ginger. And I'll put all of the ingredients and instructions in the description box below. You'll need 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 1/3 cup of honey, you want 2 tablespoons of sriracha chili sauce. I want the juice of a small lemon and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Just give that a good stir. You want to get in there with the whisk and make sure that cornstarch is dissolved. Now for my shrimp, I've cleaned it, deveined it, pulled the tails off, and I've just put a little bit of salt, like 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a generous amount of pepper in there. So now we want to take it over to the stove and we'll start cooking our shrimp. I'm going to turn my heat on medium-high. I have a large nonstick skillet here. I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. You can use whatever kind of oil you like. I'm going to add my shrimp to the pan. You just want to cook them maybe 1 to 2 minutes on each side, just until they start to curl up. Just going to start to turn those over. They're starting to get a little bit pink on one side. I'm going to add in some crushed red pepper and about half of my green onions. Okay, I don't want to overcook my shrimp at this point. I'm going to remove my shrimp. I'll be adding it back later with the sauce. I'm going to turn my heat up a little bit and just add my carrots until they're starting to cook. Your carrots, if they're thinly sliced, they won't need to cook that long. I'm just going to add a little bit of sauce to the carrot mixture. I'm going to remove those carrots to a bowl. This all happens pretty quickly. This would also be good with broccoli, broccolini, really, and maybe even peppers, any kind of vegetables you like. I'm going to add the sauce in and start to cook it. Now, as this cooks, it'll thicken up. Now this sauce will really add a lot to the flavor of the dish. A lot of garlic in there, some sriracha for heat, some honey for sweetness. You'll see it's already thickening up. Now I've cooked rice to go with my meal tonight, but again, you could use any kind of noodles you'd like. You could even use some ramen noodles, that would be good. You could use quinoa, cauliflower rice. So that's already a really nice thickness. I'm going to turn it down to low. I'm going to keep my carrots separate, but I'm going to add my shrimp back in and let that marinade soak into the shrimp. That's going to be a really nice sauce. And you can adjust the heat to however you like it. I did put some, along with the shrimp, I did put some crushed red pepper. So that's going to make it spicy, along with the sriracha. Now you can always adjust the amount of those seasonings if you don't like it that hot. Okay, I'm going to plate this up now. I've got some white rice. And then for the topping, I'm just going to sprinkle some green onions on there. And that is a good weeknight meal. Okay, let's give this a taste test. Nice, quick, easy meal. That is sweet and spicy. The honey and the garlic are a wonderful combination with that shrimp. I like mine with rice. You could certainly do ramen noodles. You could do quinoa. A lot of different options here, or you could just have it with vegetables. Those carrots are good with a little bit of crunch left in them. That shrimp is tender, sweet, and spicy. I really think this is a wonderful meal, and I hope you do too, and I hope you try it. This is so versatile and easy to put together. You'll be having this on a regular basis. Thank you so much for joining me today on Hope's Homemade Kitchen as we made honey garlic shrimp bowls. So versatile and delicious. We'll see you next time.